Or
delay.
Yeah.
They
yeah.
were responding a lot faster than what I feel like my YouTube streams were like. So, or like, it was only like a 3 to 5 second delay versus like 15 fucking seconds what it used to be. I feel like.
Yeah.
So, I mean, I know three
I
to
mean,
five seconds
but
makes
when
a
you're
big deal.
when you're on your side, I feel like it's when you're you're the person who's doing the live. I feel like it's extended out way longer than what it actually is, in my opinion. It just feels so much longer.
Oh, like it feels like 1 second is 5 seconds.
Yeah, exactly. Exactly.
When is daylight savings time supposed to happen? This shit,
Uh,
like, I feel like I'm waking up like, I don't know. I feel like it's about to change soon.
I feel like you are
yeah, it's got to.
highly correct. I feel like you're highly correct.
The sun isn't even like coming out till like 7 o'clock now. It was coming out at like 6 not too long ago.
Right.
All right, Coley.
Just trying to send this shit out. I
all
just
right, let
sent
us
it
know
in my
when
chat.
Oh, I'm live. Okay, cool. Well, I'm not gonna get it. Well, I guess I'll put it on my YouTube. I'll watch it on YouTube to get your algorithms up.
Stuff, yeah, I'll go.
And
I'll
I'll
have my
see.
6 iPads going. Yeah.
Yeah, I'll put it on my other iPad. I'll put it on. You got
Right.
15 streamers watching.
Hell yeah.
It looks good though on YouTube.
Let me get my other phone out.
Are your guys' audio? Is your guys' audio fine?
I'm about
Yeah.
to peep right now.
Let me. I'm gonna
Like as
take
far
my
as hearing
Zoom.
you guys.
Oh, yeah, here on Zoom or
Oh, hold
something.
on. Let me.
Like on the
Let me,
stream.
yeah. Let me. I'm gonna. How do I do this? I got to undo the audio on Zoom, and then
It sounds good to me.
Yeah.
if it sounds good to him, then let's just roll with that. Audio settings.
Yes, sir. I'm gonna put the volume all the way down on YouTube though, because if I'm on Zoom, I don't need that bitch.
Yeah. Exactly.
Damn, US dollar is a savage, man. I'm tripping over the dollar, low key.
Shit's just climbing, dude.
It is a savage.
It's pricing in the rate hikes.
Yeah.
Yep. Hella pricing in.
Shit. We are up there.
Up there, bro. And Biddy, if Bitcoin drops below 17,500, it's a wrap. It's definitely breaking and making new lower lows on the weekly. Or not on the weekly, on the daily, making new lower lows.
I think there's going to be like a legit blow off top on the dollar. I think the dollar is going to like scream up into that zone right there and then reject probably.
Dude, where is this? What is this from? This is 2002. Holy shit.
It's getting up in there.
Yeah. That's where it's gonna go first. It's gonna mitigate that supply zone.
Yes,
if not, if it blows through that, then shit. Who knows, dude?
I wonder how many waves in between that are gonna happen. I wonder if it's gonna come back and retest those equal highs that it broke through first, or if it's just gonna get there first.
Yeah, it could. I mean, at this rate.
You damn well know right now if the dollar prints one bearish monthly candle, everyone in the world is gonna say the dollar's gonna reverse from here, but
they probably right here, honestly. Right at these equal highs too.
Right.
But, yeah, I mean at this rate could be
that's
3 months.
Money spot.
Yeah.
Like, how do we not buy that?
All right, let's look at gold. Are you guys looking at anything right now?
I was just kind of excited for you to go live. I didn't really.
Same. I'm really excited to go.
We're
The only
gonna
thing that I
post.
possibly
Oh,
saw,
no.
the only thing I possibly, and this is not, I'm not even trying to do it anymore, is new chef, and that's off of it still going bullish to 0.99 before dropping. So that's literally about all I'm seeing right now. But it was a quick scan. These indices are at swing buy zones.
So we're looking at gold, GJ, and GU, right?
Oh yes. It was those three in particular.
I'll look at
Okay,
all these
so-
pairs right now. All the
Okay,
ones on my.
So then let's start with gold real quick.
You, if it's gonna stop right here after this triple bottom and low key, it's sweeping off them boys on the 5 minute.
Triple
I'd
bottom.
be down to play for that 5 minute. I'll be down for that 5 minute.
Ooh,
So
this is just
definitely
so
liquidity
sus.
right there.
So sus. It looks like it's stealing off these boys. But the amount of volume that's here,
Yeah, dude,
Dude,
this
there's so
is
much-
something I'm gonna have to wait on. I'm not taking anything
you're gonna have to
on
wait on
GU.
something for sure.
On G for sure.
GJ, damn, 1 hour buys. Oh my lord.
What is
thing
this
is-
indicator that you have right here?
So it's one that I've been messing around with, volume analysis. Just the different color bars mean different things. So yellow is ultra high volume, blue is super low volume. I think green is like normal volume. So it just kind of shows you spikes better. It's the same
Yeah.
thing as your volume tool, just colored.
Right.
Yeah, GU is a little sketch for me right now, especially on lower time frames, because you have to worry about how far this could drop down. I want to look at UJ or gold first. So this is sketchy too, because you've got tons of liquidity underneath here.
Yep.
But we might be able to try to catch a move down there. That's what my goal today would be.
Ooh, love it.
1 hour. Have a small shift here.
I see your spot.
Yeah.
Yep, I see
the
that.
candle.
I see that. Gold on the lower time frame. Would you play that buy? Like on the yeah, that 15-minute bullish move that just happened. Would you play that buy?
Let's see. Yeah. So mitigated this demand zone here. Now we kind of formed a double bottom, which is a little sketchy in my eyes, but drop down. There's a couple spots where I would take this trade. This actually just got mitigated right here. So this is an entry that I possibly would have taken if I would have caught that. This is the same setup I caught yesterday. No, I think I was in right here.
Yep.
So I was in right there. I don't know if I would take a buy with how low we are.
What about on the 5-minute at around 9 o'clock? Oh, I'm on the wrong UTC. I need to be on around midnight last night. That 5-minute down candle looks like 640 to you. Yeah, right there.
Yeah.
Is that a spot you would possibly look at? Maybe no.
Not this candle because it's been mitigated. So
Yep.
do you know what I mean by that?
Yeah.
So anytime I'm looking for down candles that have not been tapped into at all yet. So yep, this has been mitigated right there. But that doesn't mean like on the 1 minute there might be something, because the market's fractal, as you know. Market's all fractal. So we're inside that zone, but on the 1 minute you can see right here this one hasn't been mitigated yet. So that's one candle right there, and that's kind of how I refine my entries to find those like sniper entries.
Right.
And And then yes, so this just looks like a downwick candle, but obviously on that lower time frame it was there.
Gotcha.
That actually might not be a bad setup. Let's watch the volume as it comes down to here on like the this 2-minute candle's a little bigger, hasn't been touched. Yeah, let's just watch the volume as that comes down probably. This has all been mitigated in here. Yeah, this is choppy, dude.
Hella choppy.
There's no imbalances in here that I can see. There's a small one here that was tapped into already.
Yeah, I'm not seeing anything.
Yeah, I'm not seeing anything there. Alright. Let's check this out.
Yeah, GJ weird.
Yeah, GJ is ugly.
Even the
It's just
daily
out
scary.
of control, dude. The
Daily
yen
scary.
is just straight up out of control.
Equal highs, yeah, that's scary. That's scary hours for sure.
Yeah. So yeah. Like you look at the weekly on GJ, that's not something I ever want to trade, so I haven't been trading GJ for a little bit. Look at all these tiny candles, just indecision everywhere. That would have been, that wouldn't have hit. Would have been close. Yeah. No GJ. GU still dropping. I mean, so this is a really small candle that hasn't been mitigated, but it have kind of a sweep of that low. Not a very good one, but it did take that low out. And then we're breaking structure here. Here. Yeah, that's all just, that's nothing I want inside of there yet. Euro. Are you guys in any, you said you're not in anything anymore?
Correct. We're just kind of waiting on the market.
Yeah, we're waiting on
the dollar's just not really, I mean, giving us that opportunity.
Yeah.
Or, I mean, we see opportunities, but we kind of feel like the dollar's just going to keep going. And
yeah, exactly.
Since we already caught some bearish dollar moves and we got lucky, I feel like I don't want to like test the market like that.
Yeah, EU looks like it's just about to keep dumping.
Right, and I think the only smart way to even play it at this point is to wait for a complete balls to the walls manipulation move.
Right.
And if it doesn't make that, then it's probably just going to keep slowly dropping on people.
Okay, inside of here, this is a place I would look at taking a short. It's a long ways away. What's going on here? Okay. The other thing I'll do for my entries, if you have a big area, this one, this probably didn't hit. Well, it might have just barely hit. I'll take 50% of that area as my entry spot. Nope, missed. Just barely. Not seeing much yet. UJ just climbing. Holy shit. That's nuts. Yeah, UJ.
That's wild.
Just nothing. Holy shit.
I think we is there can you check like Forex Factory for news or something? I don't even know if there's going to be any drivers today fundamentally or not.
Yeah.
I think there's Euro news. That's the only thing that might be a driver. I'm not even 100% sure on that.
I know the CAD is raising their rates today, but I don't see any USD news. But I mean that could technically shake the markets. There's if the CAD raises the rates, but we don't trade any CAD pairs, and I doubt it super moves the dollar at all. So
yeah.
Balance and trade in 5 minutes for both the US dollar and Canadian dollar.
In 5 minutes?
Yeah, 5 minutes is gonna be some news.
What is there any red news this week? I haven't looked at that. So actually right in this zone right here where UJ could look for some kind of Wyckoff move, but it looks like it's just gonna blast through.
It does say at 9 that an FOMC member.
Yeah, they're just speaking, right?
Yeah, but I think this month is the month to like really listen to what these guys are saying.
Yeah.
Because I mean, they got 2 people speaking today. So what the fuck? I don't know what they're gonna be saying, but you know, they could say something. With the markets, like when the markets have like already started to price things in a little bit, that's when the speeches like mean something.
Yeah.
When the market has actually like already done something and now we're waiting to see what they're going to say about it. That's more when these speeches are more interesting to me versus like nothing's happening and this dude is just going to come tell us a bunch of nothings. They have something that they have to say. Like they have to kind of, dude, these risky markets are at the lows right now. Everyone is about to shit the bed if these things drop out.
Right.
So y'all better say something or else these things are about to tank heavy.
Guys, this is a potential long spot right here. Cause it's a little scary, but we're on a nice area on a 4-hour where it could turn around. And then you drop down to the 5 minutes, had a break of structure. But it did come down fast, so. Oh yeah. If it does turn around, this is the spot I would look for it. I'm gonna wait on this to see if I can get where is it? Some kind of move like this. Take that back up into, there's obviously big imbalance inside here, and there's also that unmitigated supply zone right there. So I'm gonna wait on that. I'm gonna wait for a break of structure inside of here. We already have maybe a preliminary support, selling climax, waiting for a rally in there. If not, it'll just bust through that zone. We'll go to the next zone. Keep an eye on SPX. Ooh, this 30 might look even better though.
30-minute does look better. Oof.
These candles are
Still
big.
a little scared.
Yeah.
Them candles is big on the 15. The retracement to the downside was much faster than how price went bullish. Or at least that's what it looks like.
I mean, these are just risky because the dollar has already gone up so
Yeah.
much, and the opening bell is going to come up in an hour, and then it's kind of a coin flip at that point. But usually, whenever I see the dollar go bullish during like Aussie session, the yen session, and then GBP, and the indices like haven't opened yet, obviously, and they haven't necessarily moved a whole lot, they usually open in the opposite direction the dollar has gone.
Right.
But I mean, that's not 100% at all. And I 100% see this move right here. I would love for it to start to maybe make some 1 minute Wyckoff, or maybe even that right there is like picture perfect. If that could happen, we could wait for that impulse up
Yeah, that'd be
after
sexy as
after
hell
the
right there.
manipulation, and then catch that buy up there to the imbalance. I like that, Cole.
Yeah, that'd be sexy as hell right there, honestly.
But it's just
Actually gonna move
I kind of
this
want to play it
zone.
now. But
You want to play that? Like, yeah, you want to get an
no,
entry there?
I think it's smarter to wait. To be honest, it's a
Yeah, I like
it's a
to
play
confirm
right
my
now.
entries. Yeah, it's
But
definitely a dip move. Yeah.
yeah, this is, I mean, it's
So
on you.
if you guys, if you wanted to be risky, you could definitely take it there. My stop would be right below that wick right there. My first target is gonna be, drop down. First target is gonna be this liquidity right there. Ultimately, I want to target this supply zone right up there. 1 to 4.5, which is, it's fine, but I want to get a better risk rewards. That's why I'm waiting. So,
Yeah, we'll wait for you. We'll wait with you. I mean, we'll definitely wait for you.
this is gonna take off.
Okay, if it takes off, then we'll buy the retracement.
Yeah, for sure. This is messy in there, but only problem is if it does break this and come back, I'll be a little nervous because we haven't necessarily taken any liquidity yet, had a spring.
Yeah, I would want it to do that and then make
Yeah,
a new
I
high.
agree. I don't really. It can break this, but I want it to come sweep these lows first, just like
Yeah,
this. Kind of
good
how I drew out.
impulse.
Come in here, come down,
It like
and
literally needs to do that almost exactly, or else it's not
yeah, and
as high
then
of a probability play. Yeah.
yeah. So it comes down here. Once it busts out up here, look for a zone down here that's been unmitigated. Get an entry down in there. Take her up.
Yeah, that looks like it's it. That looks like it's it.
Let's see. Anything else going on while we wait for that? Oh shit. I really want to short gold today, so I hope it gives me an opportunity to. Even just a breakdown of this up into here, into that supply zone. Give us a good entry. I really think this next move is going to be the one that sweeps these lows eventually. Where are we on? Looking at the hour. It was the 30-minute I was looking at. Yeah, I think we have to start going down to those lows. Just looking at overall structure. Got a bunch of lows put in here. Low, high, and then low, high. So that's kind of why I took that trade yesterday, because I saw it coming up into here to form the new high, and then take it down. I'm still in there, but I have way less risk on there. So
What trade is that? I left the room for like 20 seconds.
that was my gold trade that I took yesterday.
Oh, yes, yes, yes. The one that went bonkers?
Yeah. Ooh. Okay, this is perfect. So that just mitigated that.
Build up that liquidity.
Yep.
Come on.
The only downside about this play that I don't like is that we have an hour left until the indices open.
Yeah. But if we can get in there, opening bell, just take off. That'd be beautiful.
Absolutely.
So we're breaking those highs. Higher setups on indices. Whoever runs that trade the next wave count is pretty sexy.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Ooh,
I like seeing
DXY.
this downside. I like this downside.
Yeah. So had a break structure here.
I see equal highs.
Yeah, you have a whole bunch of liquidity resting relative equal highs up inside here. So kind of a similar move we're looking for on gold, but you definitely see a run of those highs. Sweep the lows again, come up and then drop. But who knows? DXY has been stupid, so it
That's
very
the
well.
only way I'm looking for bears on the dollar.
Yeah.
Only way I can.
Only way.
Yeah.
I need to see manipulation. I need to see these jokers get joked first.
Right. All right, we're breaking above here. That actually would have been a fire ass setup. It would have been risky, but this command zone came down, got mitigated right there. My entry would have been on that candle, the low right below that, and then take off. But obviously, not a trade I really want to take because it hasn't broken any structure here. Now it's breaking it, but now we just need to wait for that down move, hopefully. If it comes up into here, though, I would look for sells in there for sure.
In that 3907 area?
39.15, 39.16.
I thought so, yeah.
And
I definitely hella agree with that.
And I kind of want to believe that it would be a wick entry because you do have a bunch of liquidity up there. So that's kind of how I played yesterday's entry. Saw that there was liquidity on the left. I waited for that to get swept, and I kind of had my entry at the top of that. And then a wick just came back down and then fall. So
yeah, that was hella clean yesterday, bro. Like that was just super clean yesterday.
yeah, I think it set like it ended up being like 1 to 5 or 6, something like that.
That's fire. 6 times the amount of what you risked. That's fire.
Potentially come up into this zone right here. So now the question is, if it comes up and taps into here, and we still believe that there's a lot of liquidity underneath here, do we want to take shorts down into those? That is.
Those equal highs are what's scaring me.
Yeah, You have a lot of liquidity, equal highs as well.
And it's kind of correcting. I don't know. That would have been a fire ass trade.
Yeah.
The sweeps. I still see the sweeps. Man, this 1 minute off of this most recent drop. Damn. Yeah, nah. I just see the equal highs way more.
All right. Now I'm thinking on DXY. I broke a little structure on the 1 minute. I'm gonna test here and then keep making a move up. Man, we just need a nice little setup. Well, this is kind of doing what I wanted here.
How often do you market execute, Cole?
Not often. And with kind of just a thing about my style. Obviously I have like stop losses that are 1 to 2 pips sometimes because I'm looking for like 1 to 20 trades. So I wouldn't risk what you actually want to risk. I'd actually risk just a little bit less, like 80% of what you want to risk, because I don't use a stop loss. Because spreads would get me out every time if I use a stop loss. So kind of keep that in mind when you set yours, because my stop loss is going to be an area where spreads are going to hit it and then drop.
So you put it like a hair above the spreads where they
Um,
would hit.
no, I put it where it should be. I just don't use a stop loss, and then well, yeah, technically yes. My stop. So I have my stop there. I have my stop there, but I'm obviously not gonna get out of it till it reaches like here because of spreads. That
So
makes
you're using
sense.
that as keys to help you. You're using them as the keys to get you out instead of. Okay, gotcha. That's actually good
All right,
info.
just making another breakdown. That's actually fine. I wanted to break here first. We have imbalance down inside of here, and then we also have this candle. I'm just going to include all of that inside of there. I hope it doesn't tap that right now, because I want to come up in here first, mitigate that supply zone, and then come down into there. A good setup there forming. S&P.
That risky-ish buy would have been the move, but it's okay because we can wait.
Yeah. I'm really thinking this right here.
You feeling that right there?
A lot of liquidity up here.
Yeah, spreads would get you out of that. I could see it for sure, especially for the sells. Absolutely.
Yeah. Sell side is usually, yeah, is what I'm worried about for sure. So yeah, I actually manually exit my trades, but I do it when it reaches that level. Just because I'd get wicked out of every single trade if I didn't.
You take this out?
You know what? I'm gonna take this sell.
All right. I'm
Because
gonna set it up.
I don't know if we'll get it in. I'm gonna do way less risk on this though, because this wasn't my original setup. So
every time that you say that, I'm gonna, instead of risk whatever I'm gonna risk half of that. So
yeah.
Since I was gonna already risk, sorry, I'm outside, smoking weed, but since was already saying I was gonna risk half, I'm gonna risk 0.25 on this.
Okay.
That sounds solid, P?
Yep.
Yeah.
That's what I would recommend. Especially when we still have bias of it coming down inside here to sweep these lows before making the bigger move up.
From the entry to your stop loss, how many points is that?
It is 1.8.
Solid.
This is gonna drop. What's DXY doing? Oh, ooh, did it tap it? Ooh, close. Yeah, so it's coming up here. Coming up hot too. Gold still dropping. This at this point is where I'd want to turn around, come up here. I'd have an entry somewhere around here. I might even do 50% of that because it's a big order block. Up inside there. Target down here. That's something to keep an eye on there. GU. And then I will be right back.
All right, so I have that SPX 500 trade open, or not open, but I have it set, and I have it set for a 1 to 5 risk reward trade.
Alright. Got a little pre-workout game going. Just taking after my boy Pay 10 Pips.
Hey.
Yes, sir. We about to catch some pips now, boy.
Got the pip juice.
Oh, the pip juice. Oh my goodness.
Damn. Kobe having the words, man.
Talking about that pip juice.
Would you still play this, Cole?
Yeah, if it came up here.
Bullish? Yeah.
If it doesn't break down below here, yeah.
All right, cool.
What about gold coming up?
Yeah. Yeah, I've been talking about this. Where you been? I'm just kidding.
No, the buys.
Oh, you want to buy buys here? Oh, okay. So this is not a bad setup. Right here. So there's a couple. You could have a couple different entries here. You could have this open of the imbalance, which is not a bad one. It's almost there, below there. Or you could try to get an even better price and do that unmitigated demand zone right there, entry there, or stop loss there, and then we target. Where's our targets on gold? See, that's the problem. I'm pretty bearish on gold for now, but you could definitely target these highs again, get those swept.
How you feeling about the buys?
The only reason I even mentioned it is because at the beginning when we were looking at it, we were looking at that zone, but I'm kind of thinking the same thing about those equal lows on the daily, but I mean it's
really hard to buy it here, you know, when you know that there's an area that they want to go to eventually.
Yeah. It's kind of hard to buy this. But I see it though.
But what you could do, same thing, is this is a larger zone. You could wait on the 5-minute for our Wyckoff to kind of play out here as extra confirmation. Move down, let me support, like climaxing, something like that. It'd be a lot smaller. It'd be exactly like what kind of happened with this. I'm trying to look at this. I mean, maybe it played out better on lower time frames. No, there's no way. There is no spring in here yet. US 30. That one is looking good. So that is a lot further away from from this zone up in here. So that's where I think it's gonna go tap.
So you see stuff like this when I see the Dow Jones, the S&P, and the US 30. I mean the Nasdaq. They looking different for those zones.
Makes
I like playing the one that gets there slow or low key.
Yeah, makes you think that the SPX is gonna blow through there, while the US 30 is gonna go up and at the same time tag into there.
Yep.
I agree with you there. But now we're coming into this zone right here. So one thing I have kind of learned through all this, when you see wicks like this is a good zone for it to turn around at. If it doesn't turn around there though, then I'm expecting it to sweep those lows, come back up into here, and that's when we'll take our trade up.
Europe, I like that.
A lot going on inside here. XY making its way up slowly. Damn, that would have been a fire ass entry. 0.5
It's all good.
points away from getting in that. Now,
Yeah. Even off of some fib shit for the 1 minute fibs, if it was even our entry, it probably would have missed like 0.3 or 0.2 points
right.
or something like that. Yeah, very close.
Well, this is where I'm watching that. Looks like we're about to break through there, maybe.
About to get our swing? Our spring?
Yeah, we might get our spring here.
So let me ask you, if price moved up from right here, would you still take this down?
Would I what?
If price goes up to your entry, would you still take this out?
Probably not.
Yeah, same. I'm gonna go ahead and delete that order.
I wish that would have just wicked us in.
It would have been so fire if it did, honestly.
Just ran 1 to 5. Yeah, see. These wicks, dude. Always a spot where it likes to struggle. See long tails like that. Yeah, so gold's almost down into that zone. I'm gonna delete this so I don't confuse people.
I figured out how to put on one click trading. That's funny.
What'd you have to do?
You have to go to tools, options, and it's under trade. I don't know why I didn't think about that earlier. But yeah, it's something to toggle. Ooh, G. Okay, now G looks solid though. After that sweeps, because it swept under the sweep.
No siree.
Still have way
You
more
don't like
below
it?
that.
No way.
Hold on, let me see.
You gotta zoom out on like the weekly or whatever.
Never mind. It didn't touch there yet. Damn. Okay, never mind. God
I need
damn.
like a 20 to 30 pip manipulative move down to sweep people's stop losses. It's not a sweep
Hardcore,
of the low
yeah.
that we're looking for, guys. It's a sweep of people's stop losses and
Yeah.
the liquidity. It's not just, oh, let's barely get it past that low sweep of liquidity. No, that's not a
No,
sweep
you
of
want them
nothing.
to like
You know what I'm
get them
saying?
boys. You wanted to get them boys. I feel that.
True facts. Oh. I was thinking about taking that. I should have. Well. 1 to 2.5. I'm gonna play this with 0.25.
You gonna play still? All right.
Yeah.
Yeah. If you playing it, I'm on here, and whatever you about to play, I'm playing it with you. And depending on what you say, then that will determine if putting my initial risk for your trades or if I'm gonna have those. If you get what I mean.
Yeah. Damn, we should have played that buy.
not still looking to sell right there, are you?
I don't know. I'm thinking about it.
With it
Because
failing to break the lows like that, and then creating a lower high.
time is it?
I don't
7.
know
It's
about
7
this one.
o'clock.
I mean, AB, let's maybe quarter risk this one.
That's why I only have 0.25 on it. But is it still coming up fast?
I just still see that
Yeah.
bigger zone right there, the imbalance
that
area.
AV.
I mean, you've been just 1 point away from being right on like 3 trades so far today. So I don't know.
The thing that scares me is how far away US30 is from that. Because US30 breaks, he's gonna break here easily. Should keep going up into here. By the time it gets there, the S&P is gonna be smashed through where it's at right now.
The thing that sometimes does happen as well, though, is that the US30 will play out, and then it'll just take a little bit longer for US30 to do that move. But the S&P can play out still potentially, but it's still iffy because I feel exactly what you're talking about.
I think whenever the indices open, the dollar's gonna fucking rip to the upside.
I agree.
And everyone's gonna sell stocks like a mug. Like, I feel like I've been in this setup with the dollar before whenever I was a first year, 2 year, even like my 3rd year trading, like expecting the dollar to turn around, and it just keeps like barely not turning around. It just continues to keep going and continues to keep going. And then eventually there's going to be a big move up and then a huge move back down. And that is the only way we can really claim a reversal in the dollar. And it would have to be like a 1 hour candle more than like a 5-minute candle. It would need to be like a legit ass move.
Right.
But I mean, right now, I just think the dollar's about to rip up when the opening bell happens. And if it doesn't rip up and it just rips down, I think there's going to be a rip during the fucking opening bell. And if the dollar does decide to rip to the downside, then these indices are going to go up. But where's the spot that we're looking at them to drop at? Because these might spike right into that area.
39.15.
Yeah, so I think if the market gets there super quick today, that, like you said, it'll be like a wick entry type
Yeah, but you still have all those equal highs up here.
Oh no, it's definitely. Yeah. I mean, with the dollar in the spot it's at, everything is kind of sketchy, but still a play.
This is also a nice area up here that it could. Ooh, damn! I wish these buys came back down, because that's a nice play right there. Come back down into here inside this zone. Show some white cop, get in the little buy setup, take it up to these highs up there. There's a lot of liquidity resting above here, at least.
Yeah, I really want to see some type of lower time frame manipulation before this really pops off. That would be like the move. That would really be the move today, but we'll have to wait and see, I guess.
Okay, gold is in there. We can refine this to this smaller candle right there and see what happened in there. like. This is actually a pretty good setup.
Wait, so are you playing like the 1 minute S&P or the 5 minute S&P before even?
For what? I'm not playing anything right now.
There's no S&P plays right now.
Yeah.
Ooh, I didn't hear that at all. I'm sorry.
You're good.
There's no plays on the S&P.
Okay, cool.
Yeah. So if we can get this move down here, fast move down, fast move back up, then we're golden, dude. Look for a nice entry there. GJ still not doing jack. See? Look, another example of the wick. Last wick down. The big wick. Coming for that wick fill. Taking off.
What pre-workout are you drinking?
It's called, do you know who Jay Cutler is?
Yeah.
It's his supplement, dude.
Do I know who Jay Cutler is?
Yeah, okay, you know who Jay Cutler is. Dude, it's the best pre-workout I've ever had. It's awesome.
What's it called?
Prevail. Yeah, just like Cutler Nutrition, I think. It doesn't like get you like cracked out of your mind, but you also don't get tired after, so that's why I like it. Some of those pre-workouts, dude.
Like getting cracked out
yeah,
anymore.
dude. Some of those pre-workouts, you freaking go nuts for 30 minutes, and then, bam, you're dead. No energy.
And then after the workout, you're fatigued and your brain hurts, and you can't even trade, and it just sucks.
Yeah, dude. I would definitely check out Cutler.
Okay. I've been taking that bucked up.
Bucked up's good.
And I like it. I feel like it's I feel like it has like a good recovery or something in it with it or something, because like my recovery speed has been crazy lately. Like I've been riding 5 miles a day on my longboard and weight training every day. It's like, how is that possible? But I'm about to stop riding as much and start gaining weight again into the winter.
Yeah, too much cardio.
It's 20 minutes until opening bell. I'm definitely not here for this setup. That it was the one that we were previously talking about.
No,
I'm just voicing my opinion.
Yeah. On a scale of 1 to 10, how do you feel about that gold position on like the 1 minute? Cole.
I'd feel better if it dropped down a little more. But I actually do like this setup. Especially because it's still coming down kind of fast. But at the same time, it's not up and down. It's kind of more up and then channeling down into that. If that makes sense.
It definitely does, and yeah, I see what you're talking about for sure. But what's your skill looking like? And you can't use 7.
7? Is that what you said?
You can't use 7.
You know, if we got that entry right there, I'd be confident in that. Like a 8, 9,
You
100.
said an 8.
Wow, Beyonce is an 8.
Beyonce's an 8, so I'm solid with that.
Beyonce is not an 8.
Is she a 9 then?
Oh my God, yes,
Oh,
bro. I
yeah.
think that Beyonce is such a. If you could use 7, I feel like Beyonce's a 7. That is just my personal opinion. Rihanna's a 9, even a 10 possible.
Get out of here.
Oof.
Rihanna's an 8 as well. Rihanna's not a supermodel.
Oh
Alright,
my
who's-
God.
just a singer.
Who's a 10?
No, Rihanna's-
Peyton.
Rihanna's supermodel status to me, bro.
No, a
Who's it?
supermodel is a supermodel. If Rihanna was a supermodel, she'd be a supermodel.
Oh my God, shut
Shit.
the fuck. I said supermodel status. I didn't say she was a supermodel. Shut the fuck.
She's a 9 or an 8.
Okay, what's
I'll
a
give
10
her-
to you, Peyton?
A supermodel.
Yeah, who?
What supermodel?
Any supermodel is a 10.
Yeah, he doesn't.
Cap.
Not any, but like you have to be a supermodel. You can't just if
No.
like that's
There's
that's their
supermodels
job.
there's some supermodels that I be thinking, I'm like, yo, you be looking like a Beyonce.
Well, yeah, there's definitely like some 7s, 8s, and 9s, but like you have to be. You can't be a 10 and not be a supermodel. Like, you know what I'm saying? You got to be a supermodel because that's like the standard. If you think you're a 10, then you should go be a supermodel because you would get paid a lot of money. But if you're not a 10, you know, maybe go be like an actress or a singer if you're an 8 or a 9. And if you're a 6, then you're just, you know, go marry someone like me.
This
Bro,
dude.
If somebody is 6 and they're dating you, I'm sorry, but you settled.
Yeah, well, I also am realistic because if you're dating like an 8, you're literally dating Beyonce.
No,
Nah.
dude. Oh,
I mean,
gosh.
Yes, like you don't. We're talking
Nah,
looks only. We're
it's-
talking looks only.
Bro, I mean, Bailey, come here. Hold on, let me get my dog. real
No, we
quick.
don't talk to women about this shit. We don't talk to women about this stuff because their
No, I'm
their
I'm
opinion
talking to
don't
my dog.
matter.
I'm talking to my dog.
Is it- This
Oh,
dude.
I was talking to my dog. My dog was about to blast off, and I'm like, no, you better wait for me to put your leash on. But nah, fam. It's beauty is. So, I don't know what's more subjective, beauty or trading. I don't even know what's more subjective.
Oh my
But-
gosh.
beauty.
Yeah, beauty is definitely more subjective. But I don't know, man. I don't know because
Oh, the dollar is just gonna tease everyone.
I'm trying to
How
really think
funny,
of an
just
actress who
go
I'm trying to put at a 6 right now. Or I'm
You
trying to give
can't
somebody
because
a 6.
actresses aren't 6s. Actresses are 8s or above, unless they're like playing an ugly role, like the girl who plays in the Ozarks, who's really like a loudmouth.
Oh,
character.
yeah,
She's
yeah.
like a 5 or 6 actress. But like,
So
let's
you
see,
you so
like-
you considering Gabrielle Union an 8 because she's an actress?
yeah, she's
Or
definitely
Taraji P.
an 8,
Henson.
bro. She's not
Or
a 6, and you can't put her at a 7. So
I'm not
she's
putting.
definitely
I'm
an
sorry,
8.
but I'm not putting Taraji P. Henson at an 8. I'm sorry.
Who's that? I don't even know who that is.
Okay.
She's an actress, but I'm definitely not putting her at an 8. It's either a 7,
she's a
and she
6.
can't be put at a 7, so she's a 6.
Yep.
You guys are fools. Both of you.
Well, the market is boring, so we got to talk about
we
something.
have to talk about something.
Gold is right there at that entry, getting close. You might want to.
I have my limit set. Sorry, you guys are
I
yabbering.
bet. Boy, my boy, come on now. All right, how much risk are you putting on this though?
Half risk this
Putting
one.
50%.
Okay. So you have risk in.
And the entry, do you see his entry? Can you
Yeah,
delete everything else to the right?
everything's been deleted.
There we go.
All right. Damn it, Cole.
Oh, shit.
Go back. Just press the back button on Trading View.
Right here. That's my entry.
Property.
Beat slip in, of course. Here we go.
Bro, on me. I'm like, Cole, is you in this trade or what? And then he didn't even show me the setup. He's like, oh, my bad, boys. I'm like, boy.
No, we've been watching the thing.
Yeah, but
My
he didn't think
goodness.
he was getting in or not.
It's all right. It'll give you
Yeah,
another chance.
okay.
No, it's not.
No, it's
supposed to take
not.
off.
It's
If it-
gone.
If it makes you feel any better, it didn't wake me in, so
Okay.
it
well, that
barely
does make
missed
me
me.
feel a little better.
It
I'm
barely
such a
missed
dick.
me.
Zoom out real quick.
Put the entry at that
Okay.
wick, AB.
I'm already.
Whatever the wick
yeah.
is, that's gonna be our entry.
Yeah.
Because that's where it should have been.
Damn, dude. 1697 nuts. Yeah. My entry was exactly that, but with spreads, I did not get in. So we'll see if it drops that
Spread
into here.
said, nope. You are not getting in today, good sir. All right, well, limit is set. Let's see what happens, but man.
It's just ugly now.
Holy go next time I'm gonna need you to leave the trade setup on the chart so I know that you're still taking it.
Alright. My bad.
It's all good though. This is day one, bro.
It's about to tap in here. We're good. Don't worry about it.
Yeah, we good. We about to get tapped in. Tap that ass, come on. Don't be on no 15-second bullshit and blast off from here.
You see this? She's done. That's...
She is.
Look.
Oh my god, Bailey. Ooh, this is about to smickety smack low key if it enters us.
You're itchy.
I'll remove this.
P, if we let this hold all the way till TP, basically, it'll be like a 2% increase.
That's dope. We should take
No, that's not even 2%. Even more than that, it's gonna be a 2.3% increase. But we should take. Go ahead.
we should take partials whenever Cole does. Let's just do whatever Cole does.
Technically speaking, that wouldn't have got you in, Cole, huh? Like even on TradingView.
No.
Yeah, even on TradingView, it wouldn't have.
Barely, dude.
Man.
That sucks. It needs to the higher it goes up without getting us in, the lower the probability of this trade begins to start to happen.
Yep.
Because it'll start to look like a wave, just waving down. But I'm here
It
for
needs to
this.
open at
Come
15.
on.
Here we go.
We got about 12 minutes till opening bell. And
12, 13, yeah, 13. I said 15 just for generalization.
Yeah. Ooh, dude. I don't know.
The indices better not stop right there and fall.
Well, it made equal highs right here, right above this, right below this zone that I was looking at.
Mm-hmm.
Come in here, sweep these.
I really still want the
All right,
S&Ps
Goldie.
to sweep the lows.
Yep, that's
All
why I
right,
haven't
Goldilocks,
taken
get us in this
anything.
bitch. Get us in there, Gold.
It's okay. It's okay.
This is my bowl from yesterday that I never finished.
Come on, Gold. I like the low volume,
Yeah.
but I want to see.
Come on, get us in there. Do like what GU did yesterday.
Well, I can see my breath is getting too cold.
It's starting to get really cold, yeah. Cole, how cold is it over there in Utah?
Like at night, dude, it gets really cold. It's like drops down to like
That's not a word that we
35.
use here yet.
during the day, dude, it's been like 90 degrees, 100 degrees. They've actually been canceling schools this week because some ACs have been broken in them, I guess, and it's been too hot. So they canceled school.
Damn. That's
Like,
wild.
I'm like, I never got that
Number
shit.
one.
I be walking the snow into the school like
I think
4
Cole-
feet of
Cole,
snow.
You started school. You started college like last week, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, there you go. That's for college though. Bro,
Oh my hell. What?
Gold is really about to do this to us today, isn't it?
Yeah.
I mean, on the broker, it looks like it went back right to that wick. I don't know if the exact, but it looks like it hit that wick on the broker.
Come on.
Let me see. I'll find out right now. 1697 464.
She goes all out.
Eye on
Right.
S&P. We're up in that zone. Is there anything else we were looking at? We were looking at this, US 30 and gold, right? DXY.
Yeah, those were the only things we were looking at. We were saying
Ooh,
that GJ,
DXY
we
is
see something.
tanking.
Ooh. Right, 10 minutes right before the opening bell.
Dude, there's no way gold is gonna do this to us. On the first, on the first stream is gonna just screw us.
Come on, gold, don't do this. If it breaks above that more recent,
Might have
lower
a
high
like
on
a
the 1
low
minute,
time
I think-
schematic going on here. Oof. You suck.
If it breaks above this previous lower high on the 1 minute, I'm deleting the order, I think.
Alright. Where's the DXY going?
DXY is faking out to the lows to then go high. Everyone's going to look for sells today and they're going to get wrecked. Until that low breaks right there, I ain't fucking.
Yeah.
No.
Get that.
I would think it's
I'm
going
about to
go
get
up.
out of gold. I'm out of gold.
Yeah, gold literally just digital dashed up. Would have been a freaking 1 to
Even if we
7
would have
by
set the
now.
alert, even if we would have set the alert, that thing would have freaking missed broker status. Like, the broker would have been hella stingy on that. Hella.
Well, it's at 1 to 2 right now. good trade. Cool,
Good
bro.
trade. Unfortunately, we just didn't get in.
By a point or pip.
Oh, I did not mean to save that, but okay.
The pip juice worked. It just barely missed. Well,
I'm still
we
riding this
could
pitch up. I'm just moving my entry a little bit.
Ooh. Oh man.
go put the magnet on that candle, Cole. On that 1 minute candle that you were looking at. Go put the magnet on it and see if it tipped it.
On that?
No, the candle to the left that you were playing off of the zone.
Oh, yeah. Off of this one?
Yeah, I want to see
Shit.
exactly where the exact price could have been. I know you have it like marked off pretty well, but I want you to put the magnet on there. Right there. Oh. Okay. What is it? 19 or
97, 651.
1697.65? just missed. Or actually, I don't know. I can't really see. Ooh, you trying to play that? That is when it gets crazy.
We're a little late. Late on that, but problem is if you buy here, you're not getting that price. You could set a limit. You could set a limit down in here. But if you buy here, you're gonna be entered in right up there. It spreads.
What would you get in?
Yeah, this is something I would probably play.
Risque.
Yeah, especially it's coming down.
4 minutes worth of impulse. No structure breaking. Ooh.
That is bad.
Is it? Where is it? Where is it? It's fine. I'm not tripping. It's right at my limit if I were to set one, but it wouldn't activate because of broker.
Markets are ugly right now.
Yeah, if the markets are opening, I think I want to wait.
Mm-hmm. My stock friend texted me and he said, I think today will be the low. Oh, that's hilarious.
Also,
that
he's
means
saying that
today
things are
is
gonna
not
die.
the low, my friends. That means the dollar is literally about to pop out of the sky because my stock friend has been El Rongo lately.
So he thinks
Is that the same guy that
the markets are at the low?
He thinks today is the top of the dollar, and he thinks today is the bottom of the S&Ps.
Yeah, then I have to agree with you because he's been extra wrong.
Yeah, he has been.
Is that the same guy that didn't come with you on the podcast?
Yep.
Correct.
Oh yeah, he's wrong.
He's wrong right now.
Cole, he's like, yeah, he's wrong.
He is. I mean, like he is a professional gambler, but he is going to be professionally wrong today.
Yeah. Question, Cole. Do you still have your sell on gold open? I mean, on your buy on gold open.
This one?
Like the limit order.
Yeah, I have this one still.
Do you still want to play it, P?
I mean, if Cole's playing it, yeah, sure.
Yeah, if Cole's playing it, gotta.
Hasn't been mitigated yet. Barely.
Barely.
Look at that. Might not come down.
250. All the way up here. All right. We are in there with you, Coley.
Where did that go?
Come on, don't just leave a wick right there again. Watch, opening bell's gonna go and wicket.
What if we like created some type of like commentary for like Forex and like we were like the most streamed streamers on Forex and we would literally just like commentate the market. That'd be kind of dope, low-key.
Like a freaking Bruce Buffer.
Yeah.
It's
and now
time!
the opening bell.
You get a soundboard with all those sounds. Yeah, soundboard with that sound. Just
we could get some like what is it called? Sound bites?
Yep.
Oh, that's funny. That is actually funny. We get at all these different people. We could get some Stephen A. Smith shit. We could get some like Shannon Sharp stuff when they start going off on them boys.
That would be funny as fuck.
Oh boy, what is gonna happen today? Is the market gonna move today? Oh man, that dollar. It sure did put in some bearish structure on the 1 minute, huh? but I am still kind of thinking just gonna piss everyone off today. Come on, Goldilocks, don't.
So close, dude.
Don't. Can y'all tell that the volume and liquidity today is like dry as hell?
Yeah.
Yeah. I hope this opening bell actually just
Holy shit.
does something, at least something.
I think this opening bell is about to make freaking gold pop. Oh, never mind, it's not. We're about to get an entry, guys.
Come on.
We definitely about to get an entry.
Give it to me.
Spreads, please. Okay, we're in.
Whoa.
Oh shit, it's coming down
Whoa,
hard.
buddy. Coming down hot. Come on, go up now.
That's the opening bell for you. It's either about to rip us up or rip us down in the next minute.
It's about to be hot.
Nah, broker's looking solid right now.
I had a manual entry. You? I enter. What's my entry? 1697.3.
Yeah, broker's looking solid for us. I'm gonna say break even at one. Wait, when do you say break even? For 1-to-1 or 1-to-2?
When I take my first partial, wherever it's at. I don't have a set. My first partial will be right there.
First take partial, let me know.
It'll be 1 to 2.2. It gets up there.
Take
1
it
to
at
2.2, you said?
Just take it at 1 to 2.
All right, bet. Partials at 1 to 2.
Partials at 1 to 2. That will secure half a risk. And then the rest can ride out.
Yup, there we go. PX moving up. Oof.
DXY is dropping. So that's good for gold. Keep on dropping DXY.
What a candle. There's the volume we needed.
Keep on dropping DXY.
All right, Magic Keys, go and smack those alerts for me real quick. That was a nice week entry.
Yeah, go run up now, boy.
I actually have 2 entries. I have that entry and 1697.3.
Cool. How are you gonna
About
get
the same.
2 entries
Gold is
on
doing
us and not
nice.
even tell us?
Well, I saw it come down to
Gold
the
is doing
50%
nice.
and I hurry and manual entered.
All right, that's 1-to-1. That's 1-to-1.
Run off on them boys, Cole.
Let's go.
Run off on them boys, Cole.
Alright, I'm gonna put my stop at my entry right now.
Yeah, boy.
Good shit. That's a W for us. Should I take partials, P?
Sure, fuck it. And
I'm
let
gonna
that thing
take-
ride.
Yeah, I'm waiting for this to hit 300 again. Come on, hurry.
Oh.
Never mind. Fuck it. I don't care. I just did. All right, break even and partials if it's taken.
Yeah, Cole, that's my
Let that
dude.
shit right as fuck.
That's my dude
This shit,
right
Cole.
there.
When we show this slip, we're gonna be like, we told you to hop on.
Oh yeah.
We told y'all who's to hop on.
Go baby.
Always the truth.
Keep pushing.
Come on, push up, push up.
Oh.
We don't even want it to come back down here. No.
Don't
Hold,
do this.
bitch.
Keep going.
Hold, bitch.
Nice candle.
Come on, hold here, go. Yes, just go. Don't even come back. Just go. Don't even come back. Just go.
Nah. Well, at
That thing
least we
almost
caught a
took- I'ma
little
take
bit,
you out.
bitch.
That thing almost took me out, fool. That's funny. That thing. I'm a.
If this breaks this high now after these two candles, dude, it's
It's
gonna
gone.
rocket.
It's gone. Yeah,
It's
if it breaks
rocking
the
and
highs,
it's
it's
gone.
literally gone.
Come on,
Whatever
baby,
happened, though,
push.
Good shit.
Let's go, push.
I think we made. I think we made like $100 and something off of just taking partials right there. So that's
Did it break us even?
Nope, we're still in.
Oh, I hope it runs up. It's low key like 50-50 at this point with that
Yeah.
bearish engulfing candle that like completely erased that other one. But hey, I think the dollar can maybe continue dropping a little. It's looking kind of saucy to the downside, so remove the TP, AB.
TP is all the way up at that high. You still want me to remove it?
Yeah.
Okay.
If we're gonna hold this position, I want it to be worth like 0.5% at least, or like a 1 full percent up there.
There you go.
And
Well,
we'll just put an alert because
Up there.
Yup. Come on.
TP is currently at.
this thing's about to fly.
Let's fucking go. Oh, and where the TP's currently at, P, that is 1%.
Okay, perfect then. Perfect.
Yeah.
Never mind then. I couldn't do that math that quick.
Nah, fuck yeah. That was a perfect gold trade. That was really perfect.
All right, 1 to 2's hit.
Whoo! Yes, I am.
I like 1 to 2s. I like breaking, taking partials at 1 to 2 because it secures what you risked. And then if you lose a trade, like you just secured it.
Facts, but this thing's taking off.
This thing goes on.
Go.
Go,
I like this.
Amazing, Cole. So how are you managing your trades right now, Cole?
I just barely closed half.
Nice.
Nice. Should I take 25% off right here, P, so that
Sure.
we secure what we do?
Sure.
All right. I closed 25%. Why did it not close 25%?
We're up big today.
Never mind,
so-
it good. We're up good, and I'm gonna move TP to still be 1%. Actually, no, I'm not because that's pretty high. Actually, let me see where
It could swing heavy right here.
Good.
It's in a swing zone.
What do you?
Yeah, we
think
could
of where
easily
TP
make
is
another.
currently at?
We could easily make another leg up above
On the
into
15
here.
minute, it's rejecting off the 50 EMA right here, right now.
So
And
AB, we've already
TP
taken enough partials. Fib this 15-minute move and put the TP at the negative 61.8 extension. Because we've partialed out too much to take profits at Cole's entry.
Right now, right now, where price is at, that's one. I mean, where take profit is at, that's 1% still. If I put it up to where TP3 of this move overall on the 15-minute that happened, then that TP is going to be 1.4%.
The negative 61.8 extension of the 15-minute impulse or the
Yeah,
1 hour
that-
impulse
that-
is only.
Yeah, like where take profit is at right now, that's about 1.4%.
No.
Trade.
Let me send you the chart. Are you on check Telegram?
Yeah, send that on Telegram real quick. Let me make sure that I'm seeing what you're seeing.
I want the
I know what you're
TP
talking about.
at 17.17.
I thought, yeah, 17.17. Ooh,
Yeah,
that would make the trade.
that's worth it now.
That's gonna be above 1.5%. Ooh, this boy over here saying, "Let's do it."
That should be like 4%.
1.65. I mean,
That's
1.
it.
Point,
At
17.17.
17.17?
Yeah, at 17.17 with the lot
How many
size of
partials have you
0.86.
taken?
Damn, we took way too much partials then.
We took half, and then we took a quarter. But
Yeah,
remember,
we
risked 0.25.
managed that incorrectly. It's okay.
No,
Just remove
remember,
the TP.
remember that I said
TP
that.
and then just let it fly. Because we could have made a lot more off this trade, but it's okay.
Well, so I took half off when price made that 1-to-1.
We took half off at the wrong spot. We should have took half off and waited for it to go to 1-to-2. But it's okay.
Yeah, it's all right though.
How much have we profited on this trade?
If this goes bull, I mean, we had almost barely any. We had zero drawdown off of this, and if price does get over there to that 17.17, that's going to be a 1.6 reward that we make off of risking 0.25.
Yeah, that's crazy.
So I think that's hella. I think that's hella.
Oh, you
nice,
only risked
because if we would have risked
0.25?
Yeah, that's what we said.
No, we said half.
Yeah,
on
you said
all
half
of
of our
trades,
half.
we're gonna do half.
And then you said half of half on this one.
Not this one, but it doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter, but that is what you said. Because when price went up, you were like, "Yeah."
Hey Cole, you know that's not what I said, right?
I'm not involved in this shit.
I know you're not involved, but it doesn't matter.
All right,
Next
4 to
we'll
1
half
was
risk
hit.
on all of Cole's trades. The
So
ones
you
that we're
guys
not
know,
going to do
4
half
to
risk
1.
on Cole's trades are the ones that he's not doing half risk, or that he's not doing full risk. But he did double risk on this.
And I believe
I put 10 lots
So
on this
is
thing,
one
dude.
that he
I had
said he
10
was
lots.
90 or 80% on this one.
Yeah.
This was not that one.
Yep.
Cole, stop laughing.
Why?
all right.
Because I should have made more money.
I took off 5 lots right
Bro,
here.
It's all right. It's all right. We're about to make.
I'm kidding,
almost, we're about to make almost 2% off of a 0.25. I think that's hella solid.
I didn't know we 0.25 did. That's insanely solid.
Damn, dude, this entry would have been so fucking good. Holy shit.
Damn.
We're coming up into that top area I was talking about. The hourly. What the hell I was looking at? Oh yeah. There. Like and subscribe. What's DXY doing? Melting. Let's keep going.
Cool. Did you say please subscribe?
Huh?
Did you say please subscribe? And second of all, send us that chart of the trade.
I said like and
make
subscribe.
a chart of the trade and you can boost them up.
It's not done yet. I'll screenshot it once we get a good finish on it. I think we still have room to go up.
Cole's like, it's not done yet. we got more up to go.
Yeah, we're not done yet. So, see you guys tomorrow morning? Yeah?
Oh, what you thought this was, boy? Every time you go on live, we're not live, we on you.
Yep. I'll see you tomorrow, Cole. Good job. That was some fire ass shit, boy.
Yeah, this is gonna spank.
And even if it doesn't spank anymore, it's already spunk enough.
Spunk.
It's spunk good. Spanked isn't the
That
word,
was
is it?
fun, good. Because
It
if we take
spanked
profits
good. I
right
guess
now,
it did
then
spank.
if we take profits right now, based off of how many times we did take profit, then we would be up. Then we will make 2 times the amount that we risked if we take our full profits right now after taking profits twice. So just imagine if we didn't take any profits.
We would be up.
Well, I mean, we don't have to
It'd
imagine.
been
We
4
can
to
just
1.
measure it and see
1%
how much
probably.
It was
What is
4
it
to
at
1.
right now?
You're at
Yeah,
1 to
we'd be
4.
up 1% right now.
Yeah, we'll be up at 1%, whereas we're up 0.5 right now. So that's pretty solid.
Hey,
Think hella solid.
I'm just happy that Cole hit this trade, honestly.
I told you that first trade is gonna smack.
That'd suck. Very first
we
live stream and
secured
just
what we
take an
risked.
L.
We secured what we risked, so I'm more than happy. How much percent did you secure, Cole?
I've secured half of it, 2%, yeah. I'm at 1.5% right now in open.
Are you working on a personal account right now? Or are you working on your 10K?
I'm working on my 100,000.
You're manually trading it?
Yeah.
That's what's up.
Because my freaking EA slipped.
Yes, sir.
It took forever, so I have like 8 days left on that.
Yeah.
It's down like 6%, so I'm just gonna manually trade it. But now I just did 3% basically.
Nice.
That is clutch. You're gonna do another clutch move like you did last time?
Oh yeah. Well, I'm just gonna hold this
Got to
bitch up into
sometimes,
here.
huh?
If it reaches up here, it should 7. Got 5 lots on there. Should pass. If I get it back up there. I just don't. I think it has to come up here. I don't see it dropping back down. It could drop back down. There's a big imbalance right inside here.
Oh yeah, I for sure see that.
But we're clear down here, so we're kind of safe.
Yeah, no, our order is hella safe. Like I don't think we're gonna get stopped out.
I will be right back. I need to go refill my water.
Okay, AB. I'm gonna move the TP to where I wanted it, and tell me how much it's gonna give us.
Okay.
Oh wow, I don't know what I was looking at.
You said 1717 if I'm not mistaken.
I know, but I don't know why I said 1717. All right, go look at it now. What does it say?
Oh. Boy, if we hold that thing up to TP, we passing this challenge.
Okay, that's not happening though. So let me go to here, and then this is more realistic. So 1717 is more realistic for that swing to because the other one's like the daily 4-hour type thing. Okay, 1717.
I mean, we can, bro. I'm so down to hold that shit. You don't even understand. And we can hold it for the rest of the challenge, and I'd be hella down. You don't even understand.
I know, that's what I'm thinking. Like, because it's just a position at this point that we can.
It's not gonna get smacked.
We should probably continue doing what we're doing and take profits at certain spots. Get in, get out with the bag. That's what we're gonna do. Once we get to 7%. Once we get to 7%, should we cut it?
Once we get to 7%, should we cut this?
Yeah, like, dude, that's 3% in one day.
We are.
Well, you should just move your stop loss.
To where?
Under these lows right here is where I'd put it.
That's gonna get hit. I might as well just break it even and take it off now.
Okay, do whatever you want, bro.
No, yeah, I'm just thinking quick right now. Not quick, but we have about
Well, I'd take your time because we're still
400
pushing
so
up.
we get to 7% total. And this is, I mean, there's still a chance that it rejects right here in this supply zone.
Yeah, that's where my next take profit is.
Yeah. I think AB. I mean, it doesn't matter. We're fucking solid. There's no wrong play.
I'm not gonna lie to you, P. I'm
There's no
hella
wrong
feeling
play.
that first take profit that you had.
What's that?
I'm hella
We're about 1 to 5.
That first take profit that you. I'm not gonna lie to you.
That 1745.
That's that. Yes, I'm actually low key feeling that because we can literally hold that, and even if we go up 2K on this position, that means that we have trading like, bro, we would have. I don't know, bro. I'm feeling this. Your lunch bag, I have not seen it.
All right, 1 to 5 has been hit.
I'm taking a screenshot of this. Hold on. Oh, it didn't let me. That's Lizane. Oh, yeah, it did.
How did it not let you? It's right here.
I don't know. It's because I'm on multiple screens, but I'm good now.
Yeah, this was a solid ass trade. I love that this was the first trade. All right, so off of just the 5 minute, the bearish move that it made, right here is where I'll start to expect rejections.
Right.
It just hit off of the 5 minute 78.6, but I wouldn't be playing the sells at all. If I saw this type of bull move, I wouldn't be playing those sells.
No. Me neither, but I wouldn't be surprised if it retraces into like a 61.8 of that last impulse and then moves up. I wouldn't be surprised even if it rejects right here because of how much liquidity is still to the downside of gold. But
yeah,
I want to post.
Yeah, like it could 1698 would be my next spot if it does come down from here, where I'd be like, okay, it's possibly going to turn around here and go bullish. But it will all depend on how it falls, of course. Now, let me ask you this question, Cole. Are you looking to play something else?
No, I don't think so.
Yeah, after a smack like this.
Yeah, no. I'll wait till tomorrow. You hit like a 1 to 5. There's no point.
About the market.
Yeah.
Yeah, especially while we were janky about the market.
Yeah.
Because I'm gonna tell you right now, if you didn't go live, I wasn't gonna place a goddamn trade today.
Same. Because I already know what could have happened today, and it's not though. The dollar is actually dropping today, but
it's actually doing what we wanted it to do initially. But yeah,
we'll see. I feel like at the end of the day, it's gonna be a different story, maybe. But great fucking trade, Cole. I am pumped, and I'm so glad that we hit our 2 trades at the beginning overnight as well, because this just is the best trading day we've had in a long time.
Today was a great trading day. Because even with this challenge, hold on, I'm about to lose Wi-Fi real quick.
Don't. Yeah, I'm not gonna trade anything else today.
Yeah, No, for this challenge that we've done, this is today. For today was for sure the best trading day, and it would have been even better if I risked 0.5 instead of 0.25. But it's all good.
Oh well.
It's all good.
Oh my hell. Just hit that area.
Because our 0.25 is other people
Did.
1% or 2%, so it's solid.
Damn, it rejected off that area pretty hard.
Yeah, it did. That's what I was looking at to start the day.
I'm not trading anymore today. I am set. I don't know what I'm gonna do today. Actually,
Back
probably
test.
have to back test and go over all of our other trades. So
Yes, sir.
cool. Well, Cole, good job, bro. I'm gonna head off.
All right, brother.
Thanks for the money.
Yeah, bro.
Thanks for the
money,
pips.
bro. Appreciate you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Thanks for the money for sure.
Yes, sir.
I'm gonna post a 1 to 5 picture on the Next Wave channel, and then
Yep.
if it ends up
You can show the
extending all
clicks
the way
too.
up there, if it ends up extending all the way up there, which it probably will, send me another screenshot.
Okay. Yep.
But 1 to 5 is definitely good enough for us to throw out some clout. So
Yep. Alrighty.
cool. All right, bro. Thank
Alright.
you again.
Take a picture of the slip as well, and be like,
did
if you
your
would have hopped
shit.
on, you could have made someone's salary, daily money.
Yeah,
off
we're
of
gonna
Carlo.
start capping hard on people like that. Well, it's not even cap; it's real, and they need
It's
to just
facts.
know what the fuck is up. All right, peace out, yo.
All right, later, brothers.
Later, bro.
Thanks, Carlo. What up, my dude? Carlo, did you take this trade? You took my S&P. It's good, bro. Glad you made some money. Glad you made some money, my dude. Alright, well, Oh, you were in the buy? The S&P buy? Did you take this one? You took this buy? Damn. That one ran. You're holding gold? Yeah. Yeah, I'm holding gold too. If it breaks through this area, that it keeps rejecting off it. But if it does break through this area, then there's really nothing stopping it from continuing up to 1707 at least. So that's where I'm gonna hold it till. Yeah, hopefully we get there. Yep, breaking through. Yeah, we should be able to just keep pushing through this zone now. Oh yeah. Am I looking to short? Probably not today. Just because we hit that good trade, so I'm probably not gonna take any more trades today. But shorting opportunities, kind of why my partial's up inside here. So your last up move before that down move right there are these candles right here. So this is a zone where you could potentially start to see a little bit of rejection and turn around. We ultimately want to take the liquidity down. There's a lot of liquidity. There's equal lows down here, down below here. The problem I'm running into now is about shorts is I do think it can come up a little bit higher. You have an imbalance up inside here that hasn't been filled yet. So I can see gold coming up inside of this zone, filling that before making the next leg down. So it's just kind of what I see on here, but looks like our buys buys are running, oops. 1 to 7. 1720. Yeah. I'd like to see gold get up into that area. Yep, for sure. All right, Carlo. I'm gonna be here again tomorrow morning, so you can stop by if you want. If AB and Peyton don't go live, for sure stop by. I'm gonna hop off for now. Just let this keep running up into these areas. So, thanks for stopping by, bro, and hopefully see you tomorrow. All right, take care.